Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can set up your Face ID on your iPhone 15 Pro. For that we want to go to settings, and here you need to scroll down to Face ID and passcode. Now we need to enter our passcode to be able to make changes, and now we can say set up Face ID. So we click here, how to set up Face ID. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. Get started. Position your face in the frame. So I'll pick up the phone for that now. When the camera appears, you just need to, face the camera and then move your head around, and then it will let you know when you're done. So you can now also say to use Face ID with a mask. We will not set that up now. Don't use Face ID with a mask, but you will be able to, we'll do that later. Face ID is now set up, done. And now we can say what we want to use Face ID for. Unlock iPhone, yes, iTunes and App Store, Wallet, Apple Pay, passcode, autofill. All pretty nice and useful features. So you can make fewer changes here or leave all of that on if you want to. And here we have the Face ID with a mask if you want to. We'll set up Face ID with a mask as well. Now we will lock our phone, and now I will unlock it again. Hopefully you can see it. It scanned my face, and now I'm back in the phone without putting in a passcode. So that's how you can set up your Face ID on your iPhone 15 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. So thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.